Introducing Kortext Stream version 5.0. Featuring a whole new look and technology foundation for our student engagement analytics platform. Now fully compliant with WCAG 2.2 AA accessibility guidelines. Featuring full screen reader compatibility for those who use visual support aids.
Interactions, insights,
and keyboard-only use for users with motor difficulties. Brand new high charts technology supports snappier, more interactive charts and dashboards. Users can hover their cursor over data to pull specific figures and zoom in and out to focus on areas of a chart where required. 5.0 introduces a new look for our alert setup, with the workflow now including a clear step-by-step process and clear visibility using a progress bar. Our new confidential notes feature can limit the visibility of sensitive student information to just student and tutor, keeping personal well-being information safely in the hands of those who need to know. Experience student engagement analytics like never before. Discover what's possible with Stream 5.0.